Hello everybody, my name is Neacsu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a border in Photoshop. Let's get started. Jump! So I'm going to show you how to create a border in Photoshop. First, I will need to create a rectangle. For that, I will select the rectangle tool. Let's make it black. It actually doesn't matter the color because I will change it anyway. Cool. Control plus T to transform it. Place it in one corner and now drag until you fill the entire canvas and press enter. Now double click on the layer with the square. Go to blending options and take the fill out. Fill opacity to 0. Now select stroke and change the position from outside to inside. And let's make it black. And now change the size. Perfect. And that's how you create a border. Now you can place your subject here or your text or whatever you want to do. This border you can actually move it. Let's do that. Ctrl plus T to transform it. I'll press and hold Shift plus Alt and change the size. Now let's make it like this. And now you can place a product or I don't know, some kind of offer or discount. With a more minimal stroke that could work very fine. Something like this. Looks very stylish. That's it. Thanks for watching. I highly appreciate the time you're spending in watching my videos. Let a comment down below on what do you want to learn next, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Neacsu, jump!